Are you looking for a decent headset that's got active noise cancelling? Well, this Bluetooth headset from Edifier may just be the headset for you. Today we're looking at the Edifier W820NB Plus, a wireless noise cancellation over-ear headphone set. This product brings to the table high-resolution audio, active noise cancellation, an unbelievable 49 hours of playback, a selection of striking colours to choose from, and versatile connection through USB or Bluetooth. First impressions always matter, and the packaging of the headset doesn't disappoint. The box embodies the essence of sophistication, supporting a glossy image of the headphones against a silver background. While the aesthetics are undoubtedly luxurious, we did find that the silver on silver text could be somewhat challenging to read under certain lighting. So you're probably wondering, what's the difference between the Plus version and the standard non-Plus version? In basics, the new version is Bluetooth 5.2 instead of 5, meaning that it should get faster pairing and better battery life. The headset also has better ANC depth. Again, in basics, that means you should get better active noise cancelling if you use it. And while you're using it, you should also get a slightly better battery life using the ANC as well. On this headset, 33 hours compared to 29. This model will also charge to 7 hours worth of playback in just 10 minutes. The headset also supports LDAC, which means that it supports higher quality wireless audio. So in basics, you get a better battery, better noise cancelling, and better audio. Opening the box of treasures, you'll find a 1.2 meter USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, a safely booklet, and of course, the star of the show, the headphones. Also included is a comprehensive, a bit tiny 100 plus page manual that may have you reaching for a magnifying glass. Pairing the headset via Bluetooth or cable is hassle-free. While the included cable could be longer, especially for desktop use, this is a minor issue that you can easily resolve by acquiring a longer cable. To pair a new device, all you need to do is hold down the power button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode, and it should promptly appear in your Bluetooth devices list. Using the app with your headset is refreshingly simple. All you need to do is ensure your headset is paired via Bluetooth, fire up the app. With the app, you can then change music modes to your preference, whether that's classic, classical, pop, or rock. You can also tweak your noise cancellation settings to suit your environment. And for the gamers out there, there's also a game mode option. The sound quality is where the Edifier headset comes to its own. While the headset provides decent audio on the default settings, choosing the right mode for your music really amplifies the quality. For instance, if you're blasting a rock anthem on the standard setting, the vocal may seem a little muffled. However, the moment you switch to the rock profile via the app, the sound clarity improves dramatically. This principle also holds true for all genres and profiles, making this headset a great choice for all music lovers. The basics of it is, these headphones sound great right off the bat, but fine-tuning the settings takes your listening experience from good to great. Let's talk about noise cancellation. The headset does a commendable job of reducing ambient noise during phone calls. While it may not create a complete sound vacuum, it certainly minimises disturbances, allowing for seamless conversation. Concerned about the fit? No need to be. The headset is designed to accommodate all head sizes with ease. The ear cups are plush and the band is adjustable, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit regardless of your face shape. Even for those of us with larger ears, the ear cups have ample room to provide a snug fit. So I'm using the microphone built into the headset, so it gives you a rough idea how this would sound if someone was listening to you doing a voice call, or let's say you were playing a game that's got voice built in. Now don't get me wrong, it's not the best in the world, but it is actually pretty good considering the actual microphone is built into the ear cup and you don't actually have an arm or a boom arm what's coming across in front of your face, and also there's nothing like obviously a pop filter or anything else like that on it. Obviously, depending on the environment you're in, if you're in a windy area, it's going to change slightly, but this gives you a rough idea what the actual microphone actually sounds like. In conclusion, the Edifier headset is a remarkable headset that excels in every crucial area: sound quality, comfort, noise cancellation and usability. With an outstanding playback time up to 49 hours, the ability to fine-tune sound profiles and superior connectivity options, it stands as a sterling example of headset design and performance. Though minor areas for improvement exist, such as longer cable and more legible packaging, they in no way distract from the exceptional auditory experience this headset offers, whether you're a disconcerting audiophile or a busy professional or a dedicated gamer. The W820NB Plus is a worthy consideration. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.